Et on est parti pour ce jeu qui, somme toute, m'a l'air incroyable. 3 semaines non-stop sur la télé du salon. Ah ouais. Oh, ça a mangé là. Oh, ça a mangé du cow-boy. Hein. Oh là là. Incroyable. Et ben c'est parti. Somme toute. Alors, pour prévenir, j'ai juste fait des petits tests. Et il y a des trucs qui m'ont paru un peu chelous. Enfin, dans les textures des cheveux et des cils, notamment quand tu vois sur les gros plans et tout ça. Euh, les textures m'ont l'air un peu bizarres, alors que, enfin, pour le coup, tout est en ultra hein, chez moi. Hein. Donc, je sais pas s'il y a un paramètre là-dessus à régler en particulier. En 1899, l'âge d'or des hors-la-loi et des as de la gâchette touchait à sa fin. L'Amérique devenait un pays régi par les lois. Même l'Ouest avait été dompté. Quelques bandes arpentaient encore ces terres, mais elles étaient traquées et détruites. Rockstar Games présente. Je fais un mix d'accent là, c'était bizarre.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Ouais, surtout en France là, actuellement, c'était pas trop ça. On n'avait pas le même mois de mai. Ouais. Chapitre 1, Coulter. Je sais pas ce que c'est.
Bring him in here!
J'ai froid rien qu'à regarder ce blizzard quoi.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here. And you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out. See if we can find one of them.
This?
Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment.
Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly.
Vous voyez de là sur les cils, ça fait un peu bizarre, je trouve.
We're gonna ride out, and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Absolu de cinéma, hein, vraiment.
All right, let's head out.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
Ah, ça tabasse hein, quand même dans la tempête de neige là. Ah mais non. Ah non, ils sont foutus de ma gueule. C'est pas pour ralentir match gauche, c'est pour s'arrêter. Pas pour ouais, contrôle gauche. Mais oui. 2018, putain, mais c'est vrai que je m'attendais à ce que ce soit un tout petit peu plus récent. Genre 2019-2020 d'ailleurs.
You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter.
Wait, is that someone coming towards us? You up ahead. Who's there? Whoa. Micah.
Gentlemen.
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter.
Tiens, il y a une enfant qui est morte aussi.
Boys is, or was.
Yeah.
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
Ce qui est bien, c'est que pour l'instant, il suit tout seul la route. J'ai pas besoin de le diriger vraiment.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Ah, la lumière là dans le blizzard. Oh là là.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear. Careful. I'll cover the rear.
Ouais, j'ai compris.
Yeah. Careful.
Ah merde, putain.
Hold that horse, Morgan.
C'est complètement con.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only ones crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Yeah, well, don't talk to me about crazy. Okay,
Oula, oula.
let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Whoa. Okay.
Je pense qu'il faut y aller tout droit avec les chevaux. Hein. Vraiment. Hein. Non, il veut pas. On n'est pas dans Skyrim. Oh là. Incroyable. Ok. Ma santé est là. Très bien.
Let's hitch up here.
Bah j'aurais voulu voler, hein, mais... Ok.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Ouais, aucune chance de leur faire peur, hein, évidemment.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates.
Ça va partir en couille, hein.
Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front.
Ah, donc clic droit, ça focus sur une personne, ok.
Hello? Excuse me. Hello?
Juste ma tête qui dépasse là.
Hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Pourquoi?
Arthur,
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Ouais.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen, please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Now, friend, I
J'étais en mode, est-ce que je tente le double kill là?
that's how you want to do it.
there's another one shooting from the
C'est
window.
un peu fort pour moi. Ça va, c'est pas des civils, on a le droit. C'est des mécréants. Le mec qui était au chiottes, tranquille pendant que... Il est où? Il est où? Ouais, là-bas. Ouais, reviens! Allez! Ouais, on a le droit, ça avait l'air d'être des mecs...
Didn't seem to be going
Des mecs
too
pas cool.
well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house.
Ils ont
Arthur,
pas-
let's go search the cabin.
Ils ont pas des munitions là à donner un peu hein, par terre?
Smells like
Ah,
a
après-
party.
Ah oui, ok.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many
Yeah.
supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Oula.
I'm starving.
Vous aussi vous avez eu un petit flash vert là ou avec moi? Attends, je baisse un tout petit peu le son du jeu. Hop.
Get your strength up for the ride back.
B pour manger. De la galette de riz.
O'Driscoll's.
Oh,
I don't believe it.
oh ça c'est pas du bœuf salé, ça c'est du saucisson ça.
Maybe they're hiding up here too.
Enfin quoique.
There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Conserve.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Ouais donc vous aussi vous l'avez eu le flash vert. Ah je prends tout hein. Des valises.
Place is dry, warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back.
Mais non Adalish il est là aussi. Mais trop bien. Salut à toi jeune entrepreneur. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Le meuble? Les toniques.
Start packing the horses. You keep looking.
C'est quoi? C'est des trucs pour se soigner ça?
Meet me out here
Comment ça
when
t'as pas le
you're
son?
done.
T'es ravagé non? Mais le son en fait. Enfin je sais pas les. Enfin oui les autres vous avez le son vous. Dites-lui comment mettre son son parce que vraiment il m'énerve. Bah ouais voilà. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Poor bastard.
Photo de mariage, ok. Qu'est-ce que ça dit? Ah, le G qui est Sadie, ok. Et F, ok. C'est bon? Avec tout vidéo. Ah, il y a un étage encore. Encore des galettes d'avoine. Ok. Lui, comment il est monté dans son coin, je sais pas trop. Ouais. Ouais, tu m'as dit de... Tu m'as dit de chercher des trucs, hein. Donc calme-toi.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah,
Voilà.
you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sûrement ça.
Sure.
Un gros hennissement ça. Bonjour monsieur. Alors c'est pas vrai, c'est moi qui ai commencé mais...
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
Comment je fais pour me défendre? Comment je fais pour me défendre?
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here, and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing?
Allez.
Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Ouais.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else.
Allez, par le plaisir.
Please, spare me.
Je suis désolé, hein. Mais si je t'épargne, tu vas parler... tu vas sûrement vouloir te venger, donc... Ah. Désolé, frérot. Hein. Pas contre toi, hein, mais... Tab, reprendre. C'est bizarre. Putain, mais... Ça change tout le temps. Mais non, pas Psychopath Run, mais... C'est juste... C'est juste que je prends mes précautions. T'es bon? T'es apaisé?
Easy. You're okay. Ah, good boy.
Je comprends rien à ce qu'ils me disent. Le photo d'attache. Là-bas.
Is that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need to hitch him. He's already skittish.
Ouais. On va l'attacher dans le froid. Hein. C'est beaucoup mieux que de l'attacher dans les tables. Évidemment. Ouais, tu sors d'où, toi?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Michael!
Ça a l'air d'être un sacré con, ce mec, hein.
Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now.
Putain, ça brûle vite, hein.
Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur!
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss?
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Sadie Adler, ça me dit un truc. Elle était pas dans le 1, justement? Je sais pas, en même temps, le 1, ça fait tellement longtemps que je l'ai pas fait.
Somebody's coming. Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back.
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it.
Ouais. J'ai mis du temps à la comprendre, mais ouais, ok.
Some of them there, but there is more about. Apparently, scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get
Bill
yourself to
Williamson.
bed.
C'est bien, il y a des noms comme ça qui rappellent des trucs. Et oui. Bienvenue dans le début de l'Amérique raciste. Hein.
Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong at
Pas
least.
encore. Début.
Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
He
again.
ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. He looked for me.
Ouais.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Je vais juste baisser un tout petit peu le son de la musique. Parce que j'ai l'impression que ça fait quand même... ça passe pas mal par-dessus les voix. Ok. Par contre, jamais il s'arrête d'y avoir un temps de merde dans ce pays ou c'est quoi hein?
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Mais putain, mais t'es vraiment un golemouada.
Seems somebody left. Recently.
Je comprends pas, j'ai pas le son. J'ai pas mis mon casque. Bien joué.
Sure, well, come on now.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Ha! 2 hours ago, most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way. Come on, get up here. Not that way.
Oula.
Come on, Arthur. We need
Ah
to
ok,
stay together.
d'accord. Je croyais que tu te plaignais de pas avoir le son, d'accord.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but
Ah oui, le cheval s'écroule carrément. Ah ouais.
let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here.
Bon, non, ça m'a l'air bien l'éloignement de la
Dutch
caméra.
killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left.
Sacré
Down
rare.
here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
J'ai pas envie de la vue cinéma en fait.
Bad business, all right. Them snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Ok, vous voulez pas galoper un petit peu là parce que on se traîne un peu quand même.
Careful, it's getting narrow here.
La gueule du paysage, c'est une dinguerie quand même. Hein.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit.
Ouais, c'est beau.
Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Les gars, ils maltraitent les chevaux un petit peu. Hein. Ils les font monter dans des putains de montagnes là avec 20 cm de neige sur des pentes à 90 degrés. Hein. Pas du tout, mais
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Ah.
Come on, up there.
Je l'ai entendu. Ah, je reconnais cette voix. J'ai l'impression. Ah ok. C'est marrant. Transporte les armes sur ton... Attends. J'ai pas compris. Ah ouais, ok. Ah, tu prends le... Oh ouais. Oh ouais. Comment ça, avec un meilleur micro? Il était bien le micro à l'époque.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
C'est raide hein, quand même. Hein.
It's slippery, be careful.
Ah ouais, tu trouves? Je sais pas, moi j'ai l'impression que ça remonte à... Ouais, enfin... Ça remonte à si loin pour moi que j'avoue je faisais pas trop gaffe à l'époque. Ok, d'accord.
Careful here.
Mais putain, vous êtes trop drôles les gars. Oh, vous êtes inquiets. Putain, heureusement que vous êtes là pour entertain un peu.
Okay, good now.
Watch your step. It's real slippery.
Stay close to the
Ouais.
wall.
J'aimerais pas tomber surtout. Hein.
Up this way.
Mais comment ça, mon énergie est déjà rouge là? Ouais, manger pas une icône de noyau d'énergie pour remplir votre noyau d'énergie. Ok, genre ça, et t'as pas un truc qui donne juste de l'énergie? Ouais. Et ben on va manger des haricots.
Come on. That sounds closer now.
Des beans. Ah ouais.
We're coming, John.
Oula. Il fait quoi?
Dang, it's cold.
Let's keep moving then. Come on.
Et donc du coup le truc du noyau d'énergie ne se recharge pas tout seul.
That's John.
Bon, je sais pas ce qu'il fait là, hein, en vrai. Il est allé se foutre tout seul dans un merdier. Il va nous le dire. Hein. Inoxtag, je pense que il est déjà plus haut. C'est lui qui a poussé John Marston, tu vois. S'il l'a poussé pour pouvoir monter encore plus haut. Là.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
Bah voilà, on sait d'où vient sa cicatrice maintenant. Incroyable. Hein.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
Attends, il s'est bien fait manger quand même. Hein.
Well, can't go back the way we came.
Ah oui, donc.
Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight? Can't.
Tu peux marcher même en cinématique du coup.
See, I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this. Sure you did.
You all right?
Eh ouais.
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Et de toute façon, je pense que l'OST va un petit peu ressembler quand même.
Look up there.
J'espère.
You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
All right, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Oh, une mission de protection là.
We're getting you out of here. Keep them away from us.
Away from me.
Off us, Arthur. Hold on, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Mais il n'y a quel bras le pauvre. Pardon, désolé. Mais ouais. Je peux pas. Ah si. Après bon, c'est peut-être mieux de prendre ça quand même s'il y a les loups tout ça.
Come on then, let's get back to the others.
I don't feel too good.
Mr. Stark.
It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella?
Oui, voilà. Ça veut pas dire grand chose. Hein.
An hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Bah ouais, vas-y, va manger, t'inquiète.
Up there.
Fais-toi plaisir.
More of them.
Stay back! Get out of here!
Les autres.
Look out on the right. We got more wolves on the left. Get out of here.
À droite ou à gauche, faut savoir. Ah bah.
See any more, Arthur?
Il s'est suicidé, très bien.
Jesus! You still with us, Marston? Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater and this.
C'est vraiment ça.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that.
Trop bien, du coup, les chevaux vont se geler les pattes. C'est trop bien. Hein.
Bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there.
Oh ouais. ça a l'air quand même dans un sale état tout ça. Hein.
We get some help. We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Aïe.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Mogue.
Pourquoi il y a un Allemand ici on sait pas.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
C'est vraiment qui se déroule pendant que vous explorez le monde et les intérêts que vous découvrez sont répertoriés dans notre carnet. Maintenant J. Okay. Ah, tout est en temps réel, c'est incroyable. Hein. Blackwater. Ah mais Blackwater, mais oui, je connais ça aussi.
Not doubtful, just worried.
C'est un peu difficile de gérer deux conversations en même temps, enfin une conversation avec du texte en même temps. Attends, je vais les laisser parler un petit peu avant. C'est bon? Et galettes d'avoine. Putain, ça c'est bien quand même. Hein. Ça nourrit son bougre. Colter. Ça fait des semaines qu'on est en cavale, on n'a aucun répit. Ah oui, non, c'est ce qu'il disait. C'est pire que d'habitude, la mission avec Blackwater, l'attaque du ferry. Un fiasco total, une catastrophe même. Jenny est morte, la pauvre. Sean et Mac ont été arrêtés ou abattus, personne ne sait vraiment. Dutch a buté une fille, volontairement ou pas, j'en sais rien, mais apparemment c'était un piège. On a pris la tangente aussi vite qu'on a pu, en abandonnant presque toutes nos affaires et notre argent. Le printemps est là, mais j'en attendais plus. Osea et moi, on avait organisé un braquage à Blackwater, mais on a dû laisser ça derrière nous avec tout ce que je possédais. J'ai peur de ce qui risque de se passer quand on quittera cet endroit, ou que les autorités nous retrouveront planqués ici. On a trouvé une fille, enfin une femme plutôt. Son mari s'est fait assassiner par les hommes de Colm O'Driscoll. Une sale histoire. Ok. Ok. Je peux m'asseoir partout, incroyable. Attends. Non, il veut pas. Fouiller le tiroir. Putain, mais... Il faut être proche des trucs hein, pour Ah. Porter déjà le maximum autorisé, d'accord. Bah, très bien. Je disais, il faut être sacrément collé aux objets pour pouvoir interagir avec. J'ai l'impression. Nécessaire. Je peux rien faire avec. Je peux pas te parler? Si.
Okay there, Dutch? Thank you. Thank you for bringing John back. Finally, some relief.
He's beat up, but he'll be all right, I hope.
Putain, oh, cet accent délicieux, hein, vraiment. Hein.
How you feeling, Hosea? You've been coughing a lot.
It's the cold. Thank you for bringing John back.
Of course.
Mm-hmm. Sa manière de se replacer à chaque fois là pour ouvrir les tiroirs.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
Ok. Bon, hein, dis-le si tu veux pas parler. Hein. Oh la flashbang. En sortant vraiment. B.
Good morning.
Another cold morning.
Ok.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Michael.
I ain't ever seen so many long faces.
Oh le racisme là.
I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find
Homme alpha être comme, hein,
All of
vraiment.
you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains
Enfin, un fusil.
and detonators here. Colm always had good
le lasso.
information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah! Southwest,
yeah.
right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay.
Mon rêve de recapturer des gens au lasso et de les traîner sur 3 km là.
Find us and rob this score they're planning.
Je me souviens des missions de chasseurs de primes dans le 1 là. T'allais les choper au lasso là.
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them.
Ouais, au moins 4, 5.
As far as I can tell, the only
Six.
fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Hannibal, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close. Hold up here. All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now,
Je peux pas choper mon arme ici. Hein.
We're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
Je peux pas. Ah, vraiment, il veut pas prendre d'armes quoi. Suspect tout ça.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Ok. Il y en a un qui est tout bourré ou quoi
Who's he talking to? He don't seem
Il a
very
du mal à
happy.
tenir debout, j'ai l'impression.
No.
Ah.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get them?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. All right, let's go pay our old friends a visit. Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Sans déconner.
You two get up there and keep us covered.
Sure thing.
Attends, faut vraiment le faire à chaque fois qu'on descend de cheval ou genre... Attends, qu'est-ce que... Ah. Carabine à répétition. Ça, on va prendre ça. Et arme longue d'eau, aucune. Ok.
Good. Come on, let's
Ok. Oula. Le fusil, c'est un truc chelou.
path down as Bill and Micah. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur. Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on.
Et elles sont chauds quand même, hein, le Dutch. Enfin, c'est pas une surprise. Hein. Pour ceux qui ont fait le 1. Ils aiment bien les endroits escarpés ici. Hein. Non mais vraiment, hein, c'est vraiment homme viril sur 20. Hein.
Oh, watch out. This bit's steep.
Oula, oula, oula. À tout moment je trébuche et je me casse la gueule, hein, vraiment. D'ailleurs, attends, y a pas un truc de sauvegarde, de sauvegarde Non. Ouais. C'est juste au cas où, hein.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running...
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Down through these trees.
Trop sûr de lui, hein. On est super discret là, vraiment. Hein. Debout en bleu et en noir dans la forêt. Hein. Oui, bah oui. C'est exactement ce que j'étais en train de dire. Non mais c'est bon, j'ai déjà fait ça. Enfin, je peux le faire avec la roulette. Hein.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
C'est-à-dire comment ça envoyer la bande?
Okay, fine. You make the move.
Bah c'est lui le chef quand même. Putain.
Let's go.
Oh le slow-mo. Oh non, je vais enlever son chapeau. C'est la merde, hein. Et pourquoi il a... Oh, je me suis fait avoir par les stalactites. Mais non. Putain. Stalactites qui tankent les tirs, c'est quoi ce délire? Oula. Il y a des il y a des tirs chelous un peu. Hein. Ils sont ceux qui restent. C'est vraiment chelou, il y en a, ils font des moves bizarres des fois. Ok. Les autres là. Ah là-bas. Ah, la précision c'est pas ça hein. Bah. Bah. Bah mec, alors. Ok. De la thune. Ça c'est bien qu'ils prennent vraiment le temps de récupérer. Ah, il bouge de là. C'est vraiment bien qu'ils prennent le temps de choper le cadavre et de regarder dedans. Ah oui, oh putain, ils sont nombreux hein. Ah, quand même. Ils sortent d'où hein. ouais. Derrière les arbres, d'accord, mais oui. Oh! Oh mais les slow-mo c'est incroyable, c'est trop bien d'avoir fait ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Pourquoi il est sorti? Mais... il branle quoi? Pourquoi il sort de sa couverture à chaque fois? Non mais non, mais je lui enlève son chapeau, s'il te plaît. Fortifiant pour assurer votre sang-froid. Oui. Ah putain. Ok. Petite pile de cadavres là. Putain, ça en fait du... ça en fait des gens morts là quand même. Oh, je fouille tout le monde. Hein. Rien à foutre. Tabac chiqué. Ok. Toi. Attends. Ça. On avait déjà consommé un, mais je sais pas pourquoi le jeu continue à me dire qu'il fallait que j'en consomme un. Oui, c'est bon, j'arrive. Vous avez pas envie de fouiller les gars, vous?
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Mm-hmm.
All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
Et la bouffe aussi on prend, j'imagine hein. Il y en a du bordel là-dessus hein.
Here.
This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Le mec qui renifle sa
Did we
dynamite
get
là.
everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. Of Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's
Un
keep
mur de
moving.
maïs.
All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you
Suspect tout
boys.
ça.
All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. outlaws.
Massacrer tout un campement quand même.
Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Colm, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again.
C'est vrai que c'est un jeu où ça parle beaucoup, hein, donc ouais, il faut que... Disons qu'il y a beaucoup de moments où je dois me la fermer quand même. Hein.
Let's make some ground.
Mais ah ouais, les feels du premier qui reviennent quand même un petit peu. Ah, j'étais en train de me dire aussi l'endurance du cheval, j'ai l'impression que ça a l'air d'être un truc chiant à gérer. Mais à mon avis c'est juste un... faut que ça rentre en place.
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Oh ouais, faut que je m'en rapproche quand même pour ça. Hein. Voilà. Victime. Voilà. C'est ça qu'on aimait bien faire dans le 1. Là.
This is...
Oh, God, no.
Ouais, la nuit est tombée si vite.
I'm no use to you, really.
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
Boy.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please.
C'est bien, il sait comment intimider. Hein.
I'm no use to you.
Ouais, c'est ce qu'ils disent tous. Hein.
You're hurting me.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Ça parle mal comme ça, des lignes directes. J'aime bien.
Just let me go, please. Oh, God, please, no. Oh, I think I'm gonna puke.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Ah ouais. Attends, j'ai un peu du mal à comprendre le système de galop là. Ouais. Vous pouvez maintenant cabrer avec ce cheval. Maintenant contrôle gauche et puis sur l'espace. D'accord. Je peux pas m'amuser à cabrer alors que j'ai quelqu'un, que je transporte quelqu'un, mais ok.
Here we are. You sack sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Hop.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
Huh, you found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Il gueule dans la neige là.
Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it!
Ouais,
An
leur accent là.
O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister. I hate that fella.
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Donc ils veulent quand même attaquer le train.